Hello, my people. You are all welcome back to another session on your favorite YouTube channel, Jassen Tech. And on today, Code It with Jay, I am going to show you a very interesting package that I developed for Taraba State Government. And this particular package or software is going to be used to transmit the e-election result in all the 16 local government area in Taraba State. Alright, having said all that, let's dive down into the business of today. Alright, so the first thing is I need to first of all enter the demo link. So let's see. Alright, this is actually the demo link. So this is where the landing page is, and you can see on the landing page, which is the index.php file, this contains detail about election. You can see Taraba State Election Result Transmission Portal. Okay, ensuring free, fair, and credible election. Now you can explore. You can also log in as an agent or a polling unit officer. Now, some of the features here is that you get result in real time. You also have a secured platform, incident report. If anything is happening while election is going on, you can report and then actions will be taken immediately. Now you can read about Taraba State. You can see the map. You can also see local government on the map. Now these are lists of local government areas in Taraba State, especially the current 16 local government. We pray for more local government though. Okay, below it is the report election situation. This particular session helps you to report any incident that is happening currently in your polling unit. If there are people who are fighting, ballot papers, snatch, and so on and so forth, ballot box missing, you can report the situation, and I promise you drastic measures is going to be taken. Now we have three buttons here. First, we have the view result. We also have the election summary. Then we have agent login. Now you can view result. You can also see election summary. Let's say you want to view result in a particular polling unit or in a particular local government area. You can check it. You can also see it from all wards. So you can also view election summary in all the 16 local government based on parties. Now let me not bore you with lots of discussion. Let us go straight into the business. Now if I click on view result, it's going to take me to this particular page, and on this page, which is the view result page, I should be able to sort result based on local government. So if I click on, let's say for example, Aldrokula local government, now this is going to show me result based on all the words, and this is all the words in Aldrokula local government. So you can hit next, you continue viewing until you get to the last local government word in this local government. So let's say I actually don't have business with all these words. I want to just concentrate on my own words. I can open this place, and then let's say I want to go to Alingora. So on Alingora, we have 7 words. You can see, so these are all the words under Alingora. Now I still want to go to Alingora, maybe a particular polling unit. So I can come here, Alingora 1, and then this is going to give me result based on Alingora 1. You can see it, and I can also export it as Excel file. So I can export it as Excel file. I can also see summary of this particular result based on polling unit, showing me the percentage of each party. You can see it. Then you will also see the bar chart showing which particular party is leading in this particular ward or in this particular polling unit. So this is how wonderful it is. Now you can refresh, and once you refresh, it gets back to default. You can see, then you can sort another location again. Let's say we want to go to Jalingo, and in Jalingo I want to go to corner ward, And in corner what we have 0 polling unit, because actually we didn't capture that particular place yet. So but I'm going to get all the detail of all this word. All I just need is your support so that I'll walk through this particular project, and this project will help us in transmitting result immediately to avoid stories that touches the heart. Any person that want to rig election with this system, you can't rig election again. All right, so let's go to summary. So you can either click on this place, or you can still go down to where you have election summary. So once you click on election summary, you should be able to see numbers of local government in this particular place. You should also be able to see numbers of political parties. As you can see, 6 political parties. If I count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So any political party that is added, this particular number will show. Then total votes casted, you are going to see. So all the votes that have been casted, you're going to see them here, and the total votes, you're going to see it here for each for all the 16 local government, while this one is for a particular local government that you will select. All right, so each of them also has a total vote. You're going to see it by the side, and so on and so forth. So all these things is used for transparency. Now let's say I want to actually see the result of all this zinc. So you can search the name of the local government here. Let's say I type zinc, and just type in zinc, you're going to see the result of zinc. So that is a summary of everything in zinc. So let's go back to home page. Now, as an agent in a polling unit, you can also log in and submit your result or transmit that particular result. You don't need to wait until you get to the headquarters before you transmit. You can transmit live there, so that to avoid anything that touches, any story that touches the heart. Especially, you can also get your own copy of the transmitted result, so that if anything happens, you know that no, I have transmitted the result and this is my own copy. Now let's go to agents login. Now this is the staff cPanel, where you're going to enter your login detail. Okay, so I'm going to type an agent's login. I'm going to type the password. All right, so I'm going to click login. Okay, you can see I have successfully logged into the system, and this particular agent was registered under Arokola Alimgora. Then you can see it, and this is something you can't change, because as an agent you are tied to a particular polling unit. That polling unit is where you have power over. You cannot transmit result outside your own polling unit. So you will also see that this particular person result was transmitted or uploaded by the name of the agent. So there is no way you will say you're not the person that transmitted that result. Your password is known to you. Even the admin doesn't know your password. So your password is your password. Now, the Alimgora Primary School result uploaded by Beatrice. So this is the name of the agent. Now, let's say here we have ADC. ADC has, let's say, 50 vote. APC has 70. NNPP has let's say 30. PDP, let's say it has 100 or 200. Then let's say PRP has 40. SDP has, let's say, 20. Okay, so if you are sure that this result is correct, now all you need to do is to submit result. Now you click on submit result, and immediately you submit this result, is going to ask you to upload proof. So upload supporting document, and the document that is supported is PDF, image, or doc. Now you will automatically see these votes here. and the total number of casted vote. Now, as an agent, I'm going to upload the file. Now, mind you, immediately upload this file. Once you upload this file, there is no going back. There's nothing like you made a mistake, you want to correct it. You have transmitted. So let's say I want to upload this one now. So immediately I click on upload. Now this particular user cannot change these values again. You see, you cannot change these values again because you have successfully submitted this result, and you can't see anything like submit result again. Now you will see download preview as image. If you click on it, now it has been downloaded. All you need to do, let's open it on another tab, so you can see this is it. Alimgora Primary School uploaded by Beatrice, and this is your own copy. You have this. So this is the total number of vote, and you have your own copy as the polling unit staff. So this is transmitted successfully. You only log out. So once you log out, and let's say you want to log in again, you want, maybe someone paid you and you want to see if you can update. Now immediately I type this person's username, and then I type his password. Then I click login. Okay, sorry, I think the password has an issue. Okay, login. Okay, so immediately I click on login, you will see that you cannot do any other thing. You can't transmit result again. The only thing is you can view screenshot of what you've uploaded. This is a screenshot. You can't change any value. You can't do anything. This result is captured already. So you can only view screenshot, and then you see what you actually uploaded. That is it. So that is it. This system is secure. You go back to home page this time around, go to result, and then you can actually go to Ardocola. Now you will be able to see in Ardocola that PDP is leading with 200 votes, and it is having 48.78%, and you will be able to see the bar chart and so on. So here you're also going to see Alingora here recorded, because that's the polling unit where this election was transmitted. So if I want to actually get that alone, I'll click on Alingora, then Alingora 1 Primary School. You can see it exactly. Now if I click on Excel, now it has been exported as Excel file. So all I need to do is to open it, and you will see this particular result arranged. So you can see it here. We have the polling unit is Ardocola, the local government is Ardocola, ward is Alimgora, polling unit is 1 Alimgora, this ADC 50, 70, 30, 200, 40, 20, and 410. So you have this Taraba state, Taraba election result saved like this on Excel file. So in case you want to send it to somebody, or you want to keep it for record purpose, you can do that. Alright, so once I refresh, I get everything disappeared. Okay, I can go back to dashboard. Now the next thing is to have this report situation. You can actually type your name here, your email. Now let's say I type this particular email, then I type my name. Okay, then let me just say election is successful. Or election was successful. Let's have it was. Okay, let's change this. Okay, so I click on send report. So message sent successfully, you can see that. Now I will also go to the admin dashboard so that you will see if this message is sent successfully or not, and also what are some of the functionalities an admin can do. So this is the admin login dashboard. You can see this is the admin login dashboard where the admin can enter his username and password. So let me log into the system as an admin. All right, so this is me logging in to the system as admin. Okay, on the admin dashboard, admin can actually see the registered polling unit staff. As you can see, this is Mr. Lucky Beatrice, and then his username is this. This is the detail of Mr. Lucky. If I want to add new staff, we click on add new staff, then fill up all this detail, assign a local government to this particular staff. Let's say we want to give it Donga, and then which word in Donga. Let's say this. So the polling unit is not captured. So let's go to maybe Bali. Then let's pick this. You can see different polling units in Bali. So let's say we want to pick this one, Garin Ladan or something. Then we can put in the person's name and his password and so on. So that particular staff will be captured. Now if I want to add another admin, I'll just register the admin here, and then the admin will gain access. Now if I also want to add more polling units and word, and then let's say I want to also capture more political parties, here the first box here, you can see this input box all. This is where you enter a new word. So which local government? Let's say Arokola. So what's the name of the word? Immediately you type, you click add word, it will successfully add it. Now if you want to add polling unit, you go to this place, you select Arokola, which word? You select maybe Alingora. So you tell us the name of the polling unit, and you also tell us the polling unit number. Then you click on add polling unit. Automatically it will be saved in the database. Now if you want to add any party, all you need to do is to add the party acronym. Let's say you want to add PNDP, so you type PNDP in this place, and automatically it will be added, and you are going to see it reflect in all the system. Automatically it will be fetched by the database. Now when I was viewing this particular result here, when I click on result, you can see here we have Taraba State Local Government Election. So if I want to change that, if I want to change this particular election title from Taraba State Local Government Election to anything, you can just go to this particular place, election title, and this is where you're going to change it. You type the name of the election. Let's say now it is councillors, Taraba State Councillor election or something, maybe governorship election or gubernatorial election. It could be presidential election, it could be anything. So you type it here. So that is where you type it, and you click save title, and automatically it will reflect on this particular place. So when you're exporting your result, it goes with it, and also when you're viewing this page, it comes with it automatic. So you can also from the admin dashboard view result. So you can see, you go to the view result from the admin dashboard. You can also view uploads. If you click here, you should be able to see that yes, Beatrice uploaded his result. So you can view, so automatically it is going to show you this 404 because I didn't put access to the admin to be able to view that because of transparency. But that functionality can be added. So delete also, admin can delete in case if you made a mistake when uploading and you call on the attention of the admin that please, I have made a mistake, I really want to view this and that. So the admin is going to confirm first before deleting it, else the result is uploaded. Now if you go to view summary, if you click, you should be able to see exactly how the summary look like. So when you check, you should be able to see all the political party that has been added to the system and what score all of them got on this particular election. So you can see the title of the election here, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you go to view report, now it's going to ask you to log in, because you actually, yes, you need to log in to ensure that yes, it is you. So what you will do is to type your login detail, and you log in. So okay, I disable this because it has to actually work with uh, verification toward two-step authentication. So there's an SMS that will be sent to my phone, and then I'm going to enter the code. So for now, I'm going to skip this. So there's an SMS that's going to be sent to my phone, and then I'll be able to see that. The reason is because somebody might have access to the admin's dashboard, and then the person will want to go and check what report are they sending from that place. Let's delete it in case anything incrementing, so that it will not be used against them in the court of law. So I did this so that you can actually verify that yes, you're the person that want to view that. So that is it. So once you're done with your functionality as an admin, you click on logout. So this is where you click logout, and automatically you're out of the system. So all you need to do is to log in again if you want to gain access. And you can see we can go back, and this is our dashboard. Now this particular software was powered and designed by Jassen Tech, and it is for Taraba state government. So please, somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, please help connect to the state government so that they will actually come for this software. This software is working and it's wonderful, it's good. It's going to help fight corruption that we are currently trying to fight in the country. So please share this video, like and comment. Ensure the governor sees it. I know the governor is a man that loves transparency. So this project is going to actually help this administration in transmitting the local government election and other election within and outside the state. Thank you so much. Please, if you're new to this channel, kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we drop new episode, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you. Till I come your way again with another mind-blowing session. Ta-ta. Bye.